This is what happened to my phone when I tried to update the software. When I plugged into my MacBook and it says there is a problem with iPhone and I could not even restore or update. I tried to update it. It failed again and again, many times, heap of time. It says the iPhone could not be updated, unknown error, blah 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 blah. Even I unplugged my phone and it's still showing the same thing again and again. My phone went back to the square again. That's happened many times. Even I unplugged my phone and I tried this way, pressing a power button plus menu at the same time, came up the same thing again.
Was a little bit of paradise.
I connected my phone with charger for some time. Still appeared the same problem. But I following this way, finally, I connected to my MacBook again. I eject the iPhone from MacBook and then I try again and I update it. This time it's work. The main point, I check your phone first and then update it if it didn't work. Good luck!